Yep, FEXDETH from YouTube. It sent us a box. Look out, let's get into it and get it open. Well, we're inside. Let's get organised and get them out and check them out. G'day folks and welcome back, and a big warm welcome to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I'm KC, and today we've got an unboxing box of gifts sent to me from FEXDETH on YouTube. Logo's up on the screen, links in the description down below. Now I was been talking to Fex for the last 8 months, or just checking how long ago I subscribed, because I put a little thing in my digital diary. And I found his channel from Mike Dyson over in the USA, mentioned him to me and said, "Do you know about him?" And I said, "No, I don't." And I went and checked it out and found out that he's a cool Aussie channel. How's that? Anyway, we got talking and I've been watching him doing his bits and pieces as he opens. Go and check it out. He's opening up brand new stuff, 5-packs, premiums, you name it, he's doing it. So check it out. It's worth your while if you're into diecast. He also sent me this whole set, the factory 500 horsepower. We were unable to get those, well, I was unable to get them in Tasmania, so I said to him, that we tried to get these in Tasmania and we were extremely unsuccessful. And he said, "Well, I've got a spare set, I'll send them to you." So how nice and how cool is that? And there we go, here's the first one off the rank. Porsche GTS 3. How sweet is that? How cool is that for him to do that for us there? Now I've got the 500 horsepower set, as I've always wanted the 500 horsepower set. And now we have a McLaren 720S. So we'll just put these over here. So stay there, stop. Look at that, the roller, right, don't they? Put him there. Look at that, McLaren S720. How sweet is that? And just keep cracking along here. And yeah, so we've been talking and been checking out, and he's been opening some awesome 5-packs of late, especially the horsepower and the muscle ones that he's been opening up. And we have a Lamborghini Hurricane is our next one off the rank. We can say it like that, I guess. How cool is that? And in black. What a way to have a Lambo, a black one. How sweet is that? And he's got some other little goodies in the box here that I haven't had a chance to have a look at yet, because just been flat out over Christmas and trying to do builds and trying to do work on our house and all that sort of stuff and everything else there. Now here's a 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake. How cool is that? And in red, so it must be a fast car. Alright, I hope you're all doing alright, and I hope everyone's doing okay. Hope everyone did have a good Christmas, because it's the time that we should be able to have a good time and share it with family and friends. Now this one they're coming up here now is a 2012 Corvette Z06. There we go. How cool is that? We'll put that there, we don't want to block anyone off. That is sweet as. Fex, you're a legend. You're a legend, Fex. So up on the screen you'll see his logo, and there's a link in the description down below to go and check his channel out. He's a cool dude. He's hoping that when Steamfest is on over here in Tassie, that it's been cancelled this year apparently, that he's going to be able to come over and I'll be able to meet up with him and we'll be able to go to Steamfest when that's on. So this is another Ford Shelby GT350R. Cool bananas. And in a beautiful metallic orange. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. I don't mind that colour there. I love that Porsche GT RS3. It is absolutely gorgeous. And now we have a beautiful 2012 Camaro. Whoa, ho, ho. And in green. In green. How sweet is that? That is so cool. Fex, you're a legend. Now I've got the 500 horsepower set. My wife tried ages. I said, you keep going back and forth, keep checking, because if they're coming out and other blokes are showing them on their channel, they must be out there somewhere. They've got to be. They've got to try and get that whole set. And I was lucky that Fex said that he had an extra set, so he said, hey, I'll send them over to you. I couldn't believe it. I was gobsmacked. I still am. 2009 Cadillac CTSV. How sweet is that? We'll just move that little fella there. Wowza, wowza, wowza. They are absolutely awesome. Fex, you legend. Not just because you send those. He's been a cool guy chatting to him. He has a thing every Monday called Mystery Box Monday. So he opens up all sorts of different things on a Monday. And also 5 packs. He does all of those on random times of the week on his channel. This is a Bentley Continental Super Sports. How cool is that? I think it's about the first Bentley I've ever seen with a stripe. How cool is that? Look at that. Isn't that sweet? That's a really nice colour. I don't mind that colour actually on that Bentley. These are a really, really cool set. Wow. Oh, unbelievable. Thank you so much, Fex. That is awesome that you've sent me that whole set. Even sent me the cards, even though it opened them up. That didn't worry me at all there, but the cars, oh, wow, I love the colour on this. This is a Chrysler Dodge Viper 2013. Have a look at the colour on that baby. Isn't that sweet as? Huh? Absolutely gorgeous. So cool. And here we go. Blind man finding it hard to try and get these little jobbies. We've got, that's him, Supra, the new Supra, GR Supra 2020 in yellow, and also in white. And I'm pretty sure that was the first one that came out, wasn't it? If I'm wrong, I stand corrected. Alrighty, how cool is that? And look at this absolutely special little doodah thing. Majorette Porsche Premium. Have a look at that. Now I won't open that, but wow. Okay, Fex, you're a legend. Thank you so much. I cannot let you know, I can only say how much I appreciate it now that I've got the whole full 500 horsepower set. That is so sweet. How magic is that? Alright guys, please, up on the screen, link in the description below, go and check him out, say hello, and wow, that's about it for this one. Trying to keep them short. Look after yourselves. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Go and check out Fex's channel. Stay tuned. We'll be back with more. Look after yourselves like I'm saying. Catch yous again. Bye for now.